when the vacuum uses the Electrolux vacuum to vacuum the ceiling fan, all of the dust that fell on the floor when I was doing the demonstration. Like thunder. I guess that's what they call it, Douglas. Let's vacuum up some dust. I think they'll turn up the radio. The radio turned up a little bit. Sorry about that. My mom asked me to turn down the radio, and I did. So I just cleaned up the ceiling fan and all the dust around it. I'm gonna put this. And that song that just came off was Elton's song. And I like that song. I guess that's why we call it the blues.